Here's problem 12 for Common Core Math 1. Again, sorry for the size of it. It's kind of hard to read, but it says the floor of a rectangular room, so I'm going to draw a rectangle, has a length 5 feet greater than the width. So if I call this W, this would be W plus 5. Okay. Tom wants to increase or will increase the dimensions of both or of the floor by 5 feet. I'm sorry, by 2 feet. Okay, so that's what it says right there. He wants to increase both dimensions by 2 feet. So increase means plus 2, plus 2. So that's our side lengths, right? So if I simplify this, this side down here becomes W plus 7, and this is W plus 2. Now it says find an equation that represents the new area N. So we need to remember area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so in this case, N, our new area, is equal to the length, well, that's W plus 7, times the width. Width, in this case, is not just W, it's W plus 2. Okay, so if you got to this point, that would be fine. Now, what we're going to learn later on this year is that you can actually multiply these things together. It's like a big-time distributive property here. So if I just had the W here, I would be able to distribute it into this problem, right? So I do W times W, that's W squared. W times 2 is 2W. Okay, so I can do that because of the distributive property. Now think about if I just had 7 here, I could do the same thing. I could distribute that as well. So I'm going to distribute that into the problem. So 7 times W is 7W. 7 times 2 is 14. So by doing this green part, that's the result, the distributive of that part. Now, so we got N equals all of this. Now I need to look for like terms. So this middle part, if you notice, they're like terms. So I can combine them. So N is equal to W squared plus 2W and 7W, that's 9W, plus 14. Now I don't have any more like terms because they don't have the same variable to the same power. So this right here would be my final solution.